world. Once there was plenty of space, but the population is rapidly increasing, and people are consuming more and more. That has a big impact on our environment and ecosystems. A quarter of the once fertile land on Earth is now dust and sand as a result of human activity. The quality of our future depends on our ability to change these developments. The good news is it can be done with landscape restoration. That's more than just the recovery of land, because a landscape is also a community. People can revitalize an area. An economy that restores and uses the landscape with sustainable business cases. That's the goal. It all begins with inspiration, with a new future perspective for all those involved, and a common plan for restoration of the landscape. From this, jobs are created, and that leads to social bonding, and, for example, education and security. Restoration also leads to the return of natural capital, such as biodiversity, fertile land, water, and a stable climate. That attracts financial capital, first as an investment, later as a return. This is what we call the four returns. Return of inspiration, return of social capital, return of natural capital, and return of financial capital. To achieve these four returns, we developed three landscape zones. A natural zone in which biodiversity is restored and maintained. A combined zone, which is rehabilitated with farmers working the land. And an economic zone for sustainable business activity. It takes an average of 20 years, in other words, a generation, to restore a landscape. If we start now, we will create the basis for a different world. This is what inspires us.